Morning yoga, stretch your way to a radiant day at home. In the early morning glow, as the world awakens, there's a simple ritual that can transform your entire day. Yoga stretching. Before the rush, a moment of tranquility envelopes your space. Unroll your mat and step into a quiet realm of peace. Begin with deep breaths, filling the lungs, releasing the night's stiffness. Each inhalation invites freshness, each exhalation, a release of tension. Flow into gentle stretches, awakening each muscle with care. Bend and stretch towards the rising sun, syncing movement with breath. Notice as your body becomes a conduit of energy, each posture deepening, muscles loosening. Morning light dances across your refreshed spirit. Conclude with gratitude for this body, this breath, this day. A final moment of stillness, a reflection of your inner peace. Embrace the day ahead with open arms, carrying with you the serenity and strength from your morning yoga journey. Namaste.